We're soon to begin official trading at WebWeaver Nexus, and today I want to pull back the curtain. Because getting early on AI is easy to say and hard to trust. So instead of another pitch, I'm going to show you the actual process that we run for a local London or surrounding areas based business, our discovery and audit. And I'm going to be honest with you about what being an early mover really buys you. Here's a clue. It isn't a flood of traffic from ChatGPT. I'm Glen, founder of WebWeaver Nexus, an AI-ready web development agency here in London. Stay with me, because the window for this is genuinely open right now, and I'll show you why. Let's start with what most people get wrong about AI and business. Everyone thinks that the goal is AI traffic, people clicking through from ChatGPT to your site. But the data says otherwise. AI answers still send only about 1% of web traffic, and Pew found fewer than 1% of people even click the links inside of them. So chasing AI clicks is chasing the wrong number. Watch what actually happens instead. Ask an AI for the best in your field, and it doesn't hand back 10 links. It names a few trusted businesses, and it shows the sources it built that answer from. That's the prize, being the name that it says on the sources it trusts. So when a local business comes to us, we don't build anything yet. We run a discovery and audit. Here's what actually happens inside of it. And it works even if you don't have a website, because it looks at your whole online footprint. It starts before we even talk, a short form so that the call is about your business, not admin. Then a proper conversation, what you do and what a good customer is actually worth to you. Then the real work, and it's all evidence. First, the visibility check. I ask the AI chat and search apps, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google Search AI, and Gemini, the exact questions your customers ask, and I screenshot what comes back. Who gets recommended? And crucially, which websites did the AI build that answer from? Those sources are the battleground. Often you're not there yet, and that's not bad news. That's the opening. Next, the AI Search Scorecard. And I'm careful here. I don't grade how likely you are to be recommended. Nobody can honestly measure that. I score the 6 structural signals that AI actually draws on: readability, consistency, answer-shaped content, schema, trust, and where you show up today, out of 100. Then a quick opportunity scan. Would an internal AI agent for your inquiries actually pay for itself at your real volumes? If the honest answer is not yet, I say so and give you the volume number that would change that. And it all lands here, a PDF roadmap that we walk through together. What to fix now, mostly free, what's worth building next, and a page on what I'm recommending you don't buy. Yours to keep, whether you build with us or not. Now, let me be honest with you, because this space is full of people overselling. 1. This is a real shift, and it's early. Depending on how you count, somewhere between a quarter and a half of UK businesses already use AI. But the smallest, most local firms are the furthest behind. That's your head start. And it's the whole reason to move now rather than later. 2. It is not magic, and it's not a guarantee. What you're buying is position, being the structured, consistent, trusted name before your competitors are. Get that right, and it compounds. And honestly, the very same fixes pay off in traditional Google search anyway. Anyone promising you a particular AI's answer is guessing. 3. And because every AI builds its answers from its own set of trusted sources, you have to be consistent everywhere. Same name, same facts, same location, right across the web. That's fiddly. It changes every month, and it shouldn't be your second job. That's what a partner is for. So, what does moving early actually mean for you? If you're a creative, it means being the original name and the distinctive style that the AI describes when someone asks for a designer like you, not one more template lost in a crowded market. If you're a solopreneur, it's position measured honestly, being the visible, trusted expert an AI keeps mentioning, not a vanity click count. That's the ROI, return on investment, that compounds. And if you're a skilled tradesperson, it's simple. When a neighbor asks their phone for a good local pro, you want to be the name that it already knows and trusts for recommendation. Get in early, and you're the one that it keeps giving out. Here's the honest version of get in early. The businesses that become the trusted answer now are the ones that will stay the answer. And that window is widest while your competitors are still thinking about it. That's why we've opened our founding client waitlist, open until the 30th of September. So take the low-stress first step, a discovery and audit. A short form, a friendly call, then a proper evidence-based deep dive into your web presence. And within about a week, you'll get a scored roadmap, which we walk through together. It's yours to keep, whether you go on to have a project built with us or not. For founding clients, that £275 is credited straight back towards your build if you do go ahead. If you're ready to move on from a static site to an AI native asset, now is the time. Click the link below and let's weave the web together. Subscribe if this was useful, and I'll see you in the next one.